Cotton. Stage 1. The SwaddleMe Pod is within stage 1 of 3 in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. It's perfect for your newborn who is not yet rolling over and likes to be swaddled with their arms in approximately 0 to 6 months, but every baby is unique. Soft and comfortable. The SwaddleMe Pods are made out of soft fabric, 93% cotton, 7% spandex, for ultimate comfort. Plus, these baby swaddles are machine washable. Safe and secure. The secure design of this swaddle blanket creates a cozy, womb-like feeling for baby and prevents startle reflex that can wake your infant. Plus, the two-way zipper makes nighttime diaper changes a breeze. Size newborn. The SwaddleMe Pod in newborn size fits 0 to 2 months, 5 to 12 pounds, up to 26 inches. SwaddleMe Sleep Stages. This pod swaddle is for babies in the first stage in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. When baby starts showing signs of rolling over, then it is time to transition to stage 2. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for preemies also. My twins were born barely weighing 4 pounds each and those skinny arms and legs would fly around everywhere. The NICU didn't really like the swaddles with Velcro because they took too long to remove the baby from in case of an emergency, but these are perfect. The zipper is quick and the wires and tubes simply came out the neck opening and didn't bother my babies. I used them up until they were 3 months old. Very good investment.